KTN Prime, thank you for choosing to stay with us. Now, tomorrow, the 13th annual crossover event will be taking place at the Eldoret Sports Club in Eldoret. This year's event will feature renowned artists such as Emmy Koskei, Daddy Owen and Rose Muhando from Tanzania, alongside many other artists. This is a brief preview of what to expect at the event that will, of course, come live on KTN from 6 p.m. tomorrow. Let's take a look.
At Eldoret Sports Club, getting ready for the crossover night at tomorrow, live here in Eldoret City. This is the 13th edition of Pamoja Concert, and we are so excited. And we want to invite everybody watching us from wherever you are. Invite your family, your friends, your enemies, everybody. Tell them Pamoja is happening. Yeah. The entry is absolutely free, and I can promise you we have a great lineup of artists who are going to lead us into the presence of God. Remember, we are thanking God for 2024 and ushering 2025 in a grand way. Tuko na artists wakubwa kama Papa Fololo.
Uncle Mutulele mwenyewe nimefika, niko hapa and I'm ready. I'm just excited to be here.
Yeah.
Wewe mko tayari for Pamoja Concert?
Yeah.
Are you ready? So that's the energy that we're expecting tomorrow. Now, sort of kwameja hapa sana. So if you are someone, I mean, some enemies, we invite even the enemies to be here, and all the friends and family, just for us to come and celebrate together, because this is like the 13th year doing this thing. And God has been faithful. And at the same time, we just want to thank God for a brilliant year that we've had and ushering in the 2025 in a better way, and thanking God for the good moments that we've had. So anyone mwenye anaona hii sahi anafaa kujua that tomorrow we'll be here.
It is happening.
Usiku, having fun in the name of the Lord. Muko tayari? Bwana Yesu asifiwe.
Amen. So Rose Muhando is on ground. If you have seen Daddy here, you know Rose is here. Christine Otieno is here. We have artists who are ground. Kina Linda Chepkosgei hapa, Edina. We have Mzalendo. We have, Jose will be in town to receive us, the host artists, and many more. Live band, IVC band, we'll taimba kila kitu. Live, CD, everything as you want. So make your way to Sports Club Eldoret.
Yes.
Sindio?
We'll have fun.
Yeah, we'll have fun. We are so excited. Tukisimama hapa na Owen, it's been years of building and serving God in music.
Kabisa.
And when Pamoja started 12 years ago, tulikuwa tuna push for peace and everything. And we are happy that 13 years down the line,
we are still living in a peaceful country.
And we are excited that right here in Eldoret was a hotspot. And you can see one of the fruits is there was a lot of peace. And this is what we want to cherish and celebrate. And in the new city.
Kabisa. Na hata uongozi hapa. So, ukiona pale nyuma, the setup is going on very well, and we are prepared. We're just telling guys that tomorrow when you come here, everything will be set for you. Na kuna tent ziko hapa. Usiogope ati kutakuwa na baridi, and everything is covered. So don't worry. Anyone who will be here, just make sure that kutakuwa na a good way for us commanding guys kuingia. Security itakuwa poa sana. Event iko free. Free of charge.
Fireworks
tutapiga hapa.
Sio dakika 5, sio 10.
Tutapiga hapa hatari.
Hatari, stand still. So come, and we want to thank our sponsors led by Moran Events. KTN wenyewe ndio watakuwa hapa. They have partnered with us over 5 years. So we want to thank them, Eka Hotel and many. We have over 10 sponsors who came through for this event. So we want to thank them.
Anyone who believed in us, anyone who believed in the event, everyone who believes in the young people who are organizing for such a concert, any sponsor, thank you so much, and may God bless.
Indeed, that is the energy expected. And of course, if you didn't have a plan on how to cross over tomorrow, the 13th annual crossover event will be happening in Eldoret City, to be very specific, at 6 p.m. And that particular event will be live right here on KTN. Do not miss the fireworks.